In this video, we listed the 5 best astronomical telescope on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. F96,700 Astronomical Telescope. This reflective astronomical telescope offers a magnification of 525x with a 76 mm objective lens diameter. It comes with a 5x24 finder scope and 3 eyepieces, h6mm, f12mm, h20mm, for versatile viewing options. The telescope has a focal length of 700 mm and is equipped with 1.5x and 2x teleconverters. With a monocular design and water resistance level of IPX4, this telescope is suitable for celestial observations. The package includes additional specifications such as field of view, exit pupil distance, and eyepiece diameter, making it a comprehensive tool for astronomy enthusiasts. Made in mainland China, this telescope weighs 4.2 kilograms and is designed for use in stargazing and astronomical observations. Number 2. SVBONY SV501P Telescope. The SVBONY 60mm Portable Refractor Telescope is designed for beginners and amateur astronomers, offering a range of features to enhance the observation experience. It comes with a 1.25 45 degrees correct image prism, a metal focusing mount for higher accuracy, and a 400 mm focal length for bright and detailed images suitable for celestial and terrestrial observation. The telescope includes a 45 degrees zenith mirror, a 5x24 mm finder scope, and multi-coated glass optical elements for clear and crisp images. With an aluminum alloy tripod that is lightweight and easy to carry, this telescope is a perfect gift for learners or kids looking to explore the wonders of the night sky. The package options include various accessories such as eyepieces, a moon filter, a Barlow lens, and a universal cell phone adapter. The specifications of the telescope include a field of view of 50, an objective lens diameter of 70 mm, and a magnification of 20/21x. Overall, the SVBONY 60mm refractor telescope offers a comprehensive and user-friendly design for aspiring astronomers. Number 3. F9308B Telescope. The SV28 Telescope Spotting Scope is a powerful monocular designed for outdoor activities such as camping, hunting, birdwatching, and stargazing. It features a waterproof design with back 4 FMC coating, ensuring optimal performance in various weather conditions. The spotting scope comes with a sturdy tripod for stable support and easy viewing. With a 25-75x zoom and a 70 mm objective lens, it offers clear and detailed views of the target. The spotting scope is user-friendly, durable, and lightweight, making it suitable for beginners and experienced users alike. Its IP65 waterproof rating and fog-proof design make it ideal for outdoor use. The product also includes a portable desktop tripod and phone adapter for convenient sharing of videos and photos. With its high-quality construction and versatile use, the SV28 Telescope Spotting Scope is a reliable companion for all your outdoor adventures. Number 4. SVBONY F9308B Max Spotting Scope. The SVBONY F9308B Max Spotting Scope is a powerful tool with a 25-75x70 power rating, making it perfect for activities like birdwatching and camping. Designed with advanced waterproof features, this telescope can withstand various weather conditions. Its high-quality construction from mainland China showcases SVBONY's dedication to durability and performance. Ideal for camping and birdwatching, it comes with a tripod for steady viewing and reduced fatigue during extended use. The spotting scope's Maxitoff Cassegrain optical design allows for both terrestrial and astronomical use, with features like a zoom eyepiece, back 4 prisms for maximum light transmission, and fully multi-coated optics for superior brightness. It is compact, portable, waterproof, and fog-proof, making it suitable for various environments. The spotting scope also comes with a tabletop tripod, a soft carrying case, and fine focus adjustments for clear and crisp images. Users are advised on maintenance and handling tips to ensure long-lasting performance. Number 5. Bossdun 333X Astronomical Telescope. The Bossdun 333X Professional Astronomical Telescope is a high-quality telescope designed for kids to explore the wonders of the universe, including the moon, stars, and deep space objects. With a 400 mm focal length and 70 mm aperture, this telescope features highly translucent optics that produce clear and bright images. It offers optimal magnification ranging from 20x to 333x, thanks to 3 premium eyepieces included: 20 mm, 12 mm, 6 mm. The telescope is compact, portable, and comes with a multi-angle adjustable tripod for stable viewing at different angles. Additionally, it includes a smartphone adapter, wireless camera, moon filter, and remote for capturing amazing images of celestial objects. This telescope makes a great gift for kids and astronomy beginners, sparking their interest in science and exploration. The package also includes a refund policy and customer support within 12 hours for any queries.